Okay, I'm taking pictures of the LCD plate, and you can see the bleed through from the UV light. This is one reason why I'm not getting a successful print. It should just be, this is a top section of a cross, and all there should be is just a cross, nothing else. All that bleed through is building up resin, curing the resin on the bottom of the resin tray. It should just be one crisp image instead of all the bleed through. There needs to be an adjustment somewhere to lower the brightness level on the LCD screen. You can see the bright spots and you can see the dull spots. The LED light, one is not even, the UV light, but the biggest problem is with the LCD is it's letting everything to bleed through, not just the item that's being printed. This printer has many problems, and I know I'm probably one of the few, but I finally figured out what one of the big problem is, and this is it. And you can see the bleed through even all the way out to the edges there, and that all causes problem in the print because it cures the resin on the bottom of the tray. That's probably the biggest problem with this printer. I mean, the Z-axis, yes, but on my particular one, the LCD screen is allowing too much light in. That's why all the fail prints.